Hello, hello! Sunny day outside. It's second week of March, and I cleaned up last Saturday, I think. So wala na yung mga dahon-dahon dito. And look, we have tulips sprouting. Sana tumuloy. Mukhang nakagat-kagat na naman ng mga may kagat na Anyway, sana tumuloy. Here are the Shasta daisies. Yung mga ni-start ko propagate. And here is my rose. Sana buhay pa siya. Or buhay pa or mamulaklak. Start na naman makagat dito. May mga kagat-kagat na naman. Lalagyan ko nga siya ng anti-deer. Sprayan ko ng anti-deer. And this one, hellebore, ginupit ko. Hellebore, ginupit ko last time. Laking butas. Sorry. Foxglove. Ito pa ang mga ibang tumutubo. Forgot na kung ano yung mga yan. Yan. I think ano yan pala. Yung parang onion na malalaki. Ito. Supposed to be yellow. Sana tumubo. Tumubo-tubo sila. And here, ayokong alisan ng dahon yung mga what do you call that? The eucharis, dahil kinakagat lang. And here are our hellebores. Malaklak na siya. Yan yung dating namatay or parang nalunod. And then yung maliit na stump, I just put it in a small pot and transferred here nung malaki-laki na. And this one is the yellow, white one. White one. Ganda. What was that? And then this one are the, I forgot na. Rose. Rhododendron. Parang mukhang dead lahat ang mga tanim. I don't know. Sana mabuhay pa naman sila. Daming mga kagat-kagat. Kagat lahat. I just need to clean up. Clean up. Ito, daffodils. I think daffodils yan. Kailangan kong sprayan ang mga yukera. Lahat kinagat. Ay. kagat. Daffodil. So, parang dumami sila. Nahuhukay sila. I need to spray. Sana okay ang roses ko. Daffodils. Kumagat siguro dito. Tumba na. These are daffodils and dapat hyacinth. Mga hyacinths dapat yan. Also just wanted to show my tulips. So the ones I saved last year, bought for Easter. So this one is supposed to be a red white tulip. And yun, may tubo na siya. Yun. Sana bumulaklak ulit. Tapos this one naman, tulip din. This one is ano bang klaseng tulip to? I think it's yellow. Yan. Yellow. So, meron na. Although parang maliliit. Sana malaki. Yan siya. Ilabas ko dito sa sunroom. And then, I also have hyacinth. Binili ko rin last time. So, this is supposed to be, ayun na, meron na siyang mga tubo din. This is supposed to be pink hyacinth. So pink hyacinth, and then this one binili ko sa Acme. Hindi ko na nakita yung color, yung mismong bulaklak. It was on sale. So tapos na siya mamulaklak when I bought it. Kaya mura na lang siya. So, ayun, meron din siyang tumutubo. So, sana magbulaklak din talaga. Okay, yan ang mga inaabangan ko. Okay. Hello. It's middle of March. I cleaned a little. And look at the hellebores. Ang ganda ng flowers. Ganda. And these This is the white. So happy. Ngayon, sa-sprayan ko ng anti-deer. Yung mga yukara, na-expose ko kasi sila. Okay, and the pulmonaria also. And the sedum. Those are iris. Okay. Very nice. I also cleaned here. So, na-expose na ang mga sedum. And I sprayed anti-deer. Minsan kasi nakakain eh. Here. Foxglove. These are alliums, I think. And ours forsythia. Mukhang bubulaklak siya. There. Madami siyang buds. Sana bumulaklak. Okay. The other sedum. Okay. I was just walking around and I saw we have 3 daffodils. Ang ganda. After snowing last Tuesday, covered with snow, meron na kaming bulaklak. Daffodils. Yellow daffodils. And ano yata to? Bleeding heart. Bleeding heart. Bleeding heart. Oh, nakain na naman to. Oh. Hindi ko yata na-spray yan. At tulip yun. Tulips. And our rose. I think this is the orange true passion rose. And this one is the yellow rose. And this one is the peach that I transplanted. Sana mabuhay. Kailangan ko pa talaga maglinis. This one is the salvia yata to. Salvia. And my peonies. The one I planted. Planted ko noong October yata. Tumubo na siya. 2 mata. Yay! Sana mamulaklak siya this year. And my roses. Sana mabuhay. Okay. Yan lang. I think these are also daffodils. Yan, puro daffodils. Pero meron din, ayun. Hyacinth. There. I think hyacinth din to. Okay, and the rest are daffodils. May ibon dito. I can see, I can feel, I can hear. Okay, yun lang. And tulips. Sana bumulaklak. Pero mukhang puro leaves lang. Okay. And our Tawag dyan, hellebore. Tubo na siya. Dito rin sa kabila. Maganda yung hellebore. Kahit nag-snow on Tuesday and this was all covered with snow. Ganda pa din siya. I wish I could have more like this. Pero mahal siya. Buti na save ko tong isang to. Dati nag-rot siya eh. Liit-liit. And this one is the white one. Okay, very nice.